Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how to connect Facebook pixels to your Shopify store. This is simple, going to be very easy. I just need you to follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. So for sure the first need we're going to open our browser here, and then from now I will be directed to Google, and from Google I would search for Shopify. And from here I'm just going to be a little down and choose Shopify.com, and now I need to log into my account. And so whenever I log to my account, as you can see here on the left side, I have multiple options such as home, orders, products, and so on. But I will go down to apps. And so I have add apps and apps option. I click on apps option, and from here I'm going to click on all recommended apps. And from here also I'll scroll down a little bit until I can find this option, which is Shopify App Store, and the blue button. I click on it, and in the search I search for Facebook and I click enter. And now I would choose this one, which has had the name of Facebook and Instagram, and has the letter M, which stands for Meta. This is the official tool from Meta to Facebook and Instagram. And I click on it, and then I would go and choose install this option. I click on it, and I'll wait a few seconds until the installation is completed. And then once the installation is completed, I need to connect my account. So I click on connect account over here, and now choose my account on Facebook. And so here is connected successfully. I just need to click on connect over here, or I can create a new business portfolio. So I click on connect here. And so here we have to manage our Facebook and Instagram data sharing preferences. So we have between enhanced and maximum. You can choose one of these. In my case, I would go with enhanced, and then I click on save to save this option. And now I go here and I click to pixel check to my customer behavior, and I click on connect over here. And then from terms and conditions, I need to choose I agree to the product catalog terms. And I click on submit, and I just need to wait a few seconds until finalizing the channel setup. And so once done, as you can see here, it says run ads on Facebook and Instagram. It's active with the green light. So that means we connected our pixel from Facebook to Shopify successfully. At the end, that was all today's video. I hope that the video was very helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. At the end, that was all, and thanks for watching.